Okay guys, so this is a video that I probably shouldn't be filming and I don't know why I'm filming it, but I've recently had my hair cut. If you can see, like, I'm getting my hair braided soon, like it was braided before. So yeah, like that is my trim. Like the braids are gonna start like up there, as you probably know. So from the thumbnail and the title, I'm gonna be trying to slit my eyebrow. So I've got the clippers here, some Babyliss for men. Like, I don't know what the hell these are. Just thought, you know what? Ah, nah, that just touched my eyebrow. Like, hold on. Let's just go for it. I've got a mirror here. Right, let me test some. Okay, let's. I'm actually gonna do my tash as well. You know what? So that is it currently. Okay, so I don't know what the hell I've done, to be honest. To be honest, that doesn't really look too bad. Um, okay, so you don't know if you don't try, do ya? So I think I've kind of done it, or I've kind of messed it up. To be honest, to me, it's only hair, so I don't really care. Like, that kind of rhyme, but I didn't mean it to rhyme. And yeah, like, wait, let me just go over it. It's a bit big, you know. So that is it. You know what? Let's just go for the tash, YOLO it, you know. How'd you do this? To be honest, I don't really think it looks too bad. I just kind of look like Okay, so I did kind of do it, I think. I don't exactly know. But let's just go over this again. I'm kind of OCD with this. So I guess that's done. Let me just get rid of this. Sorted, perfect. So I guess it doesn't look as bad as I thought it would end up. Like, to be honest, it's only hair, you know. I might try and cut my hair next time. Let me know, maybe. So yeah, I don't know what this video is. It's just me slitting my eyebrow. I just thought I'd record it, doing my tash. So if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Like, it's only hair, it'll grow back. Subscribe, turn the bell notification on, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Next video will be back to the normal schedule. So yeah, peace.